pronunciation in English, Nepali and Nepal Bhasha. Book in Nepali, Kitab in Nepal Bhasha, Safu, Safu, Safu. Pen in Nepali, Kalam in Nepal Bhasha, Kalam. Umbrella, Chhata, Kusa, Kusa. Bed, Khat, Khata. Pillow, Takiya, Ponga, Ponga. Door, Doka. Khapa, Khapa. Window, Jal, Jaha, Jaha. House, Car. Chin, Chin. Palace, Darbar. In Darbar. Toilet. Charpi, Chabi. Pocket, Khalti. Micha, Micha. Ring, Authi. Angu, Angu, Angu. Shoes, Jutta. Laka, Laka. Comb, Kainu. Kokicha, Kokicha. Tap, Dhara. Hiti, Hiti, Hiti.